Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming firmware model and ensuring you are logged in as admin. This matters because some menus differ by version. Once physically connected, open the DVR menu via mouse on the local monitor or via the web client using the DVR IP. Make sure date/time and channel labels are correct so you disable audio for the intended camera. Now navigate directly to configuration to begin changing recording parameters. Do not use guest accounts. Once in configuration, go to camera or encode settings and pick the channel you want to change. You do this because audio settings are per channel on most models. Next, locate the audio or audio input option, sometimes under encode or record, and switch the audio stream to off or set recording to disabled. Make sure to apply or save after changing each channel and repeat for multi-channel systems. Otherwise, default profiles may re-enable audio later. Check Live View to after disabling audio, click Save and Apply. Some devices require a reboot to commit changes, so restart the DVR if you see no effect. You should verify by recording a short clip and checking playback to confirm the audio track is absent. This proves the change worked. If audio persists, check that your admin account has full permissions, confirm you edited the correct channel or profile, and consider updating firmware. These steps resolve most configuration conflicts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.